you ever walk down to the corner of your street and then you see another street coming the other way and you have to cross the street? If you drew a picture of what those two streets look like coming together, it might look like this. You have one street going this way, one street going this way, and you walk down to the corner and then you cross the street. We have a name for that kind of picture. It's called X, and that's a letter. It's the kind of thing if you drew pictures for when you go to a corner and then cross the street. This is another X. It's just two lines that cross in the middle, and we call it X. You hear the sound X when you talk about doing exercises, or when you're in some building and you have to look for the way out, called the exit, or when something's exciting, X. So the sound X is made just like that, with two lines crossing, and that's what we call X. That's another letter. So let's look at this. We have a picture of the cars going on the street, and you come to the corner and you have to cross the street. If we drew just the streets, we'd have that letter X. Now X can look like this. Many colors, many sizes, but they all are just two lines crossing. You can even do it with your fingers like that. X. X. Now, we sure know a lot of letters. Let's look at all of these. H is for house, M is for mittens, P pretty flower, S snake is bitten, W is for waves, T for train tracks, R round the corner, A apple stacks, B bump on bottom, K is for curl, D is for doorknob, G long-haired girl, N nail got bent, I it jumped up, E egg fell open right into a cup, A is for octopus, A under umbrella, F has a funny top, he's a strange fella, J just a jet's trail, K kite on string, L is for ladder, you climb it in spring, V very good, Y yarn with tail you see, Z is for zigzag, you draw when you feel happy, X is for crossing the street where you've been. Now let's see what we can do with that. We could take this letter and this one and this one, and we could make a word. Bump on bottom, octopus, X, crossing the street, X. X, box, box. A box. Maybe you get a box of pizza. Maybe you get a box of toys. That's what box looks like. Or maybe we could move just one of these and take another letter, and we have funny top. F, A, X, F, ox. Fox. Fox. That's one of those animals in the forest. Fox. So when you're using X, like when you go to the doctor's and you have to have a picture taken of your inside, that's called X-ray. That's what X looks like, and it helps you read some more words.